Hi, Christine. I just wanted to show you how to get into code.org and start the projects that we have been working on while you've been gone. If you go to sign in the top corner when you go to code.org, you can sign in using your school Google account. I'm going to sign in with my personal account. So when you get into here in your dashboard, you'll see this area right here. Up on the top corner, click where it says hi in your name, and then click on account settings. It needs you to change your age to 13, otherwise you can't get, or older, otherwise you can't get to the stuff that we are working in. Unfortunately, I don't know why they put it at that age. Click the update button. And then if you go to projects at the top, you should see Game Lab as an option right here. Game Lab is where we've been working. Up in the top corner, here's where you rename your projects, and you can save your name. And then we have been working in some of the basic drawing. We started working in sprites and then in variables. If you look in Google Classroom, you'll see in the stream each of the lessons in here that go over just the basics. I usually put up this presentation while I am presenting the new material. It has a lot of information for you, as well as the practice that we do together in class, showing you all the work that we do. So if you could go through and do these problems that are in here, in 1 through 4, they're really not very hard, but if you do struggle with it, please just come and see me when you do come back to school.